is the Wash and Go styling gel. I say gel. I say gel so weird. It's gel, but I always end up saying it like jail, like you're going to jail. Anyway. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. So as you can see, I have let my curls out to play, my natural curls. You all know that I am good for wearing mostly protective styles, just because it's so much easier to manage on a daily basis than doing my actual natural hair, which I love, but we all know natural hair can be very time consuming. I like to either put a protective style in, whether it's my clip-ins or, ponytail, whatever, but the curls are out to play with us today. So the reason why is because Shedavi was very nice to send over some products for me to review for you all today. Shedavi is Black owned. They are a Black owned hair care product company that was started by Elizabeth Davis. They not only focus on like hair care products, they also focus on overall lifestyle. So the first two products that I want to show you are their hair and scalp growth elixir, and then they also have these hair, skin, and nail whole vitamin. With the hair and growth elixir, you want to apply it directly to your scalp. You can also apply it directly to your actual hair as well to help seal in moisture to your cuticles and add shine. And then the vitamins are obviously like a dietary supplement, but it helps promote healthy skin, grow your nails, grow your hair, along with the health growth elixir. And these vitamins don't have any fillers. They're all vegan, all natural, no dairy, no sugar, none of that. And then the next two products we have are their leave-in conditioner and their Wash and Go styling gel. So this is what I use today to achieve this wash and go. As you can see, it looks awesome. It has a lot of movement, a lot of body to it. So I only use these two products to actually style my hair today, just the leave-in conditioner and the styling gel. These are the results that I got, and I am loving how it has made my hair look and feel. Then we also have their revitalizing mist. This is really great to use on like day 2, day 3 of your wash and go, or your twist out, or braid out, whatever your hairstyle is. But this is really good for like refreshing your curls after you've either slept on it or put it in a pineapple. Once you take it down and you're ready to do your hair the next day, this is great for refreshing those curls. So if you're interested in seeing how I actually apply the products, make sure you keep watching. But before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, y'all, let's get this wash and go going. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with are these vitamins. You're supposed to take these twice a day. So I think what I'll do is I'll take one during breakfast and then again for dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the process of this journey and take one now. I have my water here. This is what it looks like. Got my water. So to go along with the vitamins, we have the hair and scalp growth elixir. So you're supposed to use this about 4 times a week, and you massage it into your scalp. And then it says you can also use it to kind of seal off your cuticles as well. So I'm going to take some, and I'm first just going to add it to my scalp. Let's just go along my scalp here and add. Especially, obviously, everyone wants their edges right, so I always want to add some to my edges. And the little bit I have left, I'm just going to massage into my hair. Good head massage always feels good. All right, as y'all can see, it is time for some leave-in conditioner. So just like all of their products, it is silicone, sulfate, mineral oil, gluten, petrolatum, and paraben free. So very good for your hair. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Okay, so I have added the leave-in conditioner. Give my hair a little moisture here. So since I am doing a wash and go, you all know if you've been following me for a while that wash and goes are, I have a love-hate relationship with wash and goes because I have so many different textures of curls in my hair. I find them a little hard to do on my hair. So we're still gonna try it anyway. So I think what I'm gonna do is section off the front part of my hair and just do the wash and go on the back. All right, so this is sectioned off. So now we can focus on the actual wash and go portion of this video. Typically I use like 2 or 3 products to do my wash and go, but I'm just gonna try doing it with just this one product. This is the Wash and Go styling gel. I say gel so weird. It's gel, but I always end up saying it like jail, like you're going to jail. Anyway, so this styling gel is supposed to elongate, define your curls, and eliminate frizz, smooth, and add shine. So the reason why I think I can get away with using the one product, because the gel isn't like your typical gel consistency. It's almost like a cream. Can you see that? See how it's almost like a cream? Like it has a gel texture. It has a gel texture, but it's also a little creamy. So I like how this feels. So I think I'm gonna try to see if I can get away with only using this product. So here we go. And I have my spray bottle. It's just water, and then I added a little bit of the leave-in conditioner to the water. So I can spray as I go, because you know if you do a wash and go, you wanna do it while your hair is pretty much soaking wet. So as I go, I will be spraying my hair to keep it damp or wet. I'm running out of clips to use. Here we go. This is the first section of hair we're gonna rock with. All right, I zoomed in a little for you guys so you can see, have a better view of what this looks like. Work that water in. This is my hair with no product. The back of my hair has probably my favorite texture of all of my hair. It has the definition, but it also has the volume. But you know. Then we're going to get gel. So right off the back, let me tell you what I like about this gel is that it is really smoothing my roots down. Because I feel like whenever I do a wash and go, that's like my main problem, is that my roots are frizzy while the rest of my hair is defined. So I can say off the back that it's making my roots very, very smooth, which I like. But I will just still coil it a little bit. So I'm gonna take little sections and coil with my fingers. So that's what the first section is looking like. Not bad. Don't judge my ends. I need a trim very bad, but this is what that first section is looking like. So let's keep going. All right, y'all, it is the next day and I wanted to show you all the takedown process for this wash and go. I let my hair air dry, but I also stretched my hair. So as you can see, my hair is kind of in these little pigtails, and I've taken a scrunchie and just kind of wrapped the scrunchie around going down my hair to kind of stretch it out a little bit. So I'm gonna take these off, and then in the front, I'll take this off and show you. I just kind of did two little flat twists in the front where my hair is not so curly. So I will show you that as well. But I'm going to start with just taking these scrunchies out. So now typically what I like to do is kind of break the gel cast, not too much because you still want to have a little bit of hold, but I like to kind of use my prayer hands and kind of break the gel cast of my hair. I'm gonna use this wide tooth comb. I can't find my pick right now that I usually use to fluff my hair, but I'm gonna use this wide tooth comb to kind of fluff up my hair and fluff out the edges to kind of give me a little bit more volume and body. And then that's really it. So hopefully this comes out good. Let's start fluffing. All right, everyone, this is the final look. I am really loving how my hair is feeling right now. Usually when I do a wash and go, my hair is very dry and very stiff, but this gives me a lot of movement. Look at that movement. Love that. I feel like I never really get that when I do a wash and go. So definitely that wash and go styling gel did the trick, and that's really the only product that I used besides the leave-in conditioner. So you only need that product to achieve this wash and go, which is awesome. Very much a time saver as well. All right, if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.